Okay, so we're going to go over a few tips and guidelines here that are going to make sure your 3D models come out the way that you want. Our printers have a maximum build size of 223 by 223 by 205 millimeters, and a minimum size of roughly 10 millimeters on all dimensions. By clicking on the model, we can see the dimensions here on the left side. It's really important that you include the correct X, Y, and Z dimensions, and be careful not to mix any of them up. For general prints, we have a maximum time of 7 hours, and for course-related prints, we have a maximum time of 9 to 10 hours. As for what works well and what doesn't work well on our 3D printers, it's important to remember one general rule. Anything with too much overhang is going to require more supports and therefore be more difficult to print. This model has a lot of overhang. If we look at the underside of it, we can see this red highlight. This red highlighted area is where supports will be required in order to print the model. If we go up to the top right corner here and change from solid view to layer view and make sure that we have show helpers turned on, we can see all the supports that are going to be needed to print this model. Now this is fine, but when you receive the print, you will have to manually remove all of these supports and possibly do some light sanding in order to make sure that it looks okay. Another good tip is to make sure that your model has a solid base. In this example, this model has a really solid base and has also been designed in such a way that it doesn't require supports in order to print. In this example, the model does not have a solid base and is only being supported by these 2 feet. On top of that, there is a lot of overhang in this model and a lot of intricate details that won't come out so great if you turn on a lot of supports. Now we will print most things for you, but there are some exceptions. To see a full list and details, please check out our website here. With that being said, we look forward to all the creative designs you come up with, and we can't wait to 3D print your models.